Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about reviewing a serum from Streaks Professional. This one, just have a close look of it. So this is Streaks Professional Hair Serum enriched with macadamia oil and vitamin E. It claims that it gives you a high gloss, silky smooth finish and soft hair. So let's talk about the product first. They retail 100 ml of the product for 220 rupees and it comes in a pump like bottle here, and on top of it they have given a cap, so that makes it travel friendly, and also the cap won't come out on its own, so the product will not spill easily. Now I'll just show you the texture of the product. So as you can see, it's really watery and it's silky smooth, guys, and the fragrance is divine. I cannot even explain in words how divine the fragrance is. I am really in love with this fragrance. So for people like me who are a great fan of fragrances in hair products, this one is really very nice, guys. So since I have taken some product on my hand, I'll apply it and show you. Although I have washed my hair and I have already applied the serum in the morning, I parted my hair and then applied it. So a good amount of product was already used on my hair in the morning, and again I have used it to show you guys. So what I'm trying to say is that the product is not at all greasy. It won't make your hair look sleek, rather it would just tame your hair. So this product is really good for people who have unruly hair and have a problem of frizziness in their hair. So I like to discuss this thing with you, that whenever I wash my hair, the day when I wash it, they really turn frizzy and unmanageable. So as you can see, I have washed my hair today morning and I have applied the serum, and this is the after effect of the serum. It has made my hair look so good and healthy. So this is what my hair looks like right now after applying the serum twice, and I'll show you the shine which it gives. You can see I've just shampooed my hair, put a conditioner and applied the serum. That's all. It has also claimed that this product can be used by people who have colored their hair or have gotten their hair straightened or permed, so which is a very good thing. Other than that, let's talk about when and how to use this product. So I personally use this product after washing my hair. In damp hair, I apply the serum in downward motions like this. You need not rub it in your hair, because when your hair are wet, they tend to break easily. So I do not rub it in my hair. I apply it in wet hair, but I just put it in the downward motions. Do not forget to put the serum on the tips of your hair. So that is because your tips have split ends, and this product does wonders to split ends. It really tames them down and makes your hair look healthier. So that's about how to apply the hair serum. Now let's talk about when you can apply the hair serum. So this one can be applied before or after styling your hair, before any blow dries or after blow dries, since this product is not at all heavy on your hair. So it can be used in styling as well. It won't make your hair look greasy or anything such. So it is a good product for styling. Yeah, that's about it. Just let me know in the comment section if you like the video, and if you have any suggestions for me, you can write it down in the comment box. Thank you for watching, guys.